mean, I don't know. I mean,
see, they know where they are. Stop, stop, stop. They're fine. Stop, stop. They're fine. Look, there comes Mom. And the two dads. The parents are over there, and these new geese are trying to check us out. Okay, the little family's all back together. It was kind of hard because every time I'd get the adult call ducks to swim over, they would then fly across the pond. Oh yeah, so we have two families of Canadian geese. This one has one baby, and there's one over there in the grass somewhere that has, I think, 3. Yeah, not today, buddy. Guys, this is danger. This is big bad, okay? We don't like these. Yeah, good, you stay away.